So let's say that I am a point in space and I have some vector which is telling me that I want to move this speed. Where should this point in space be after the vector has been applied? Well, right here, right? So if I'm moving at, say, 5 meters per second, then after 1 second, I should be here, 5 meters away, correct? How can we represent that in a computer? Well, we take our position and we set it equal to our position plus our velocity. If we treat all of these as vectors, we saw earlier that we can just add. And if we treat these as homogeneous coordinates, we would say that the W is equal to 1 for the positions, right? And then the velocity would be equal to 0. Velocity is a direction, while position is a point. Makes sense? But there is a slight problem with this computation. We would want to run this in like a while true loop that produces a new position every frame. So I'm happy. I'm running this at 60 FPS, and it looks great. But my friend is running our game on their toaster, and they can only get 5 FPS out of their toaster. So what happens to them? Well, we're going to wind up moving a whole lot faster than they are. So we instead want to multiply by 1 over FPS so that the velocity update is consistent no matter how many frames per second we're getting.